Hello and welcome to OCD Hi-Fi Guy yet again. We've got something OCD for our little noggins today. So look at this rack, okay? We got a big 4-tiered rack. This is going to be awesome. It's going to hold all the audio gear. It's going to be against this wall here, the one I keep talking about, where all the cool electrical and everything is run. And okay, so we're going to be there. But one of the OCD details that we just freak out about. It's vibration. Yep, we all know that. There's a little, this is what I'm going to use on this. Okay, these little pucks that are, you can lock them down and they've got a, and so they'll stay fast. And I'm just doing something basic on this because really I'll put the serious vibration isolation under each component. So I'm not going to, go too trippy on the rack itself. But one thing that's, definitely considered the best for vibration and works well is sand. So look at what we have there. It's a channel. Oh boy. That means I got to pour sand in this thing. I can't put it up. This is how my OCD is. I can't put this thing up and put it in place without sand in there, because if there is no sand in there, and I hear something weird, I'll be like, oh, it's because there's no sand in there. And I can't have that. So we'll put some sand in here. It's going to be really fun and excellent because I get to figure out, like, how do we plug up one end, and then we flip this thing over, and then we pour all the sand down in there, and man, it better not break open. Well, it's going to be, check it out, it's going to be on all the horizontals. I'm not going to put it on the verticals because the verticals are screwed in order to get your, drilled to get your screws in there. So it's going to be too much of a pain. I'm not going to risk it leaking out there. I will, however, put it on all the horizontals. So that means I got to disassemble this damn thing again, but it's just like, these middle pieces, they come out just like a ladder. It's one piece. And then I'll take it outside. I'll do another video, and we'll plug up the ends, probably use like some toilet paper or something soft, and then I'll put hot glue in after it and make a plug, and then I'll pour it and then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. We'll do that 4 times, and then these things are going to be heavy as crap to get them fit back in here, but we'll do it, and then we'll be good to go. So that's the project for today. Yippee, I'm really looking forward to it. All right, kids, we'll talk to you later.